You've heard James say it a million times. Respect the Polygon. At Weather Call, we make the Polygon better. We call, text, or email you so you'll always know when you're in danger. No matter who you are, there's a Weather Call solution right for you. Check us out at weathercallservices.com.
It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 29th of May. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather should be relatively quiet today with only a very small chance of a shower. Rain chances stay fairly low tomorrow and Friday. Then we'll deal with a few scattered showers and thunderstorms over the weekend. Here's the upper air look this morning. We have a trough evolving over the eastern states. Still pretty warm today, but that's going to pull down some cooler air tomorrow. Might see a few folks up in the Tennessee Valley holding in the 70s tomorrow. The closest rain to Alabama over parts of Texas. Nothing especially heavy. Some rain out around Dallas-Fort Worth down toward Houston. Temperatures this morning are pretty good. Look at the 50s on the map here. That feels good. That's a sign the air is drier today. Aniana, 54. Gadsden, 56. Cullman, 57. Come on now. That's pretty rare for late May in Alabama. Most spots are in the 60s. The warm spot, Mobile, they've got 74. We will be well up in the 80s today, but again tomorrow, highs closer to 80 for the northern half of the state. There's the watch warning map this morning, a very quiet morning. Here's the severe weather outlook today and tonight. We have a risk of severe storms over the western high plains down into Texas. This is tomorrow. Again, the chance of some severe storms through parts of Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri. Got a level 2 out of 5 risk there. And on day 3, Friday, again, a risk of severe storms over Texas, Dallas-Fort Worth, Houston, Shreveport, Louisiana. But all of that will be west of Alabama. Here's a look at the rain for the next 7 days. This is the rain valid through Wednesday morning of next week. And we're getting into the time of the year where these maps will be hard to prepare because of the scattered nature of the showers and storms. You might get an inch. Down the street, your neighbor gets nothing. But on an average basis, rain amounts for much of the state will be 1 to 2 inches, lighter amounts for east and southeast Alabama. And the tropics. Tropical season, hurricane season for the Atlantic Basin begins Saturday. Things are awfully calm this morning. We do note a lot of dry, dusty air out there in the MDR now, the main development region. Of course, typically things don't crank up out there until August and September. But again, the SSTs are anomalously warm, sea surface temperatures, and we're getting into a La Nina ENSO phase, and typically that provides a more favorable upper air pattern for tropical formation. And everybody believes the season will be active. But we'll see. But again, for now, things are pretty calm there. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 4. There's your trough evolving over the east. And again, I think for most of Alabama, the day will be dry. Here's a look at the high-res herd. This is valid this evening at 6 o'clock, and it shows nothing. And I'd say mid to upper 80s in most spots today. And some of those showers in Mississippi might creep into southwest Alabama late tonight after midnight. But again, pretty quiet day. And really the same thing tomorrow. Could there be a shower? Yes. Is it likely? No, for any one given spot. And again, the heat levels are down, highs near 80 for North Alabama tomorrow, mid-80s for the southern counties of the state. And really Friday, the chance of a shower relatively small. Better chance of rain stays off to the west. We'll mention isolated showers, the high Friday, mid-80s. So the weekend here, and June 1st, the first day of meteorological summer, and it looks pretty typical. It looks like a partly sunny, warm day with the chance of scattered, mainly afternoon and evening showers and storms. Let's look at the probabilities here. If you like the numbers game, chance of any one spot getting wet, 35 to 45%. And the better chance of the showers in the afternoon, and that's going to be the formula for a while. Evidence the moisture might be a little deeper Sunday, but still not a washout, a mix of sun and clouds, highs low to mid-80s, a few scattered showers and storms. Monday, a fairly decent pool of moisture in place. Showers and storms could be a little more active on Monday. and Tuesday. And a week from today, this is Wednesday, June 5th, flow aloft very light as the mid-latitude westerlies begin to shift north. And I think that's good news for our friends in Texas and Oklahoma. They've had a rough tornado season. And it could be that the death ridge is setting in, as they often call it there, that marks the end of the tornado season. And again here, scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms. I think that's going to be the theme every day next week. And quite frankly, that'll be the theme most days through June, July, and August. If you lived here for a long time, you know the deal. Highs in the 80s. We'll go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, June the 7th. Again, light flow aloft. Ridge building off to the west. The mid-latitude westerlies are shifting north. And again, maybe a few spotty showers over North Alabama. Rain for Birmingham, valid through the next 15 days. This is through June the 13th. The mean is about 1 inch, but you can see a pretty big variation in the ensemble members. And again, as we go through the next 3 months, these charts will not be as useful as they are in the cool season because of the random scattered nature of the showers and storms that fire here. Temperatures coming off the national blend of models, 87 today, then we drop to 80 tomorrow. And then mid-80s Friday, Saturday. Next week, we'll start the week with 80s and then close to 90 for the latter half of next week. And the latest long-range guidance, the 8 to 14-day outlook. This is for June 5th through June 11th. Temperatures across Alabama near, maybe slightly above average. So did you watch Wheel of Fortune last night on ABC 3340? I will raise my hand for once I know the answer here. Television, it's an occupation. I think you've got that figured out. Jeff Spiegel of our sports office, who's back there watching it and sent that screen grab to me. Hey, nice sunset last night on the Gulf Coast. And again, if you're headed down that way, no tropical trouble. And again, yeah, there could be a shower around, I guess, in spots, but it looks pretty good, really, for the next 5 to 7 days. Shot captured up in the Tennessee Valley. I see some cows in that picture. I see a dog in this picture. Even dogs like a nice sunset. It was a nice sunset last night. It was pretty warm. Some spots hit 90, but the dew points weren't that bad. And obviously, with some spots in the 50s this morning, it's pretty dry air mass, but really nice sunset in the Alabama sky last night. So today I'm going to be up in Blount County at Cleveland Elementary School. Yeah, I know school's out, but the summer programs have kicked in. And again, that's going to be a fun day there. And Saturday it's a book signing. Let me be sure I got my times right and everything here. And we're going to go to Selma, Alabama. How about that? That's going to be a lot of fun. We love coming to Dallas County. I was there back in January for an event to kind of commemorate the 1-year anniversary of that big tornado that came through there last January. But we're going to be at the Reflections Coffee Shop, Water Avenue, right in the middle of downtown Selma, Saturday from 10 until 1. First one we've done in Selma. We love coming to Dallas County. We'll have all the books, the T-shirts, hats, all the Weather Dweeb stuff, the books for kids, the Benny and Chipper series. We have so much fun. We take a lot of pictures, have a lot of laughs, tell a lot of stories about weather. Of course, Selma's had quite a history of weather over the years. So Selma, Reflections Coffee Shop, Saturday from 10 until 1. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.